In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly update Elementor and WordPress to their latest versions, ensuring your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it, and make sure you watch till the end to understand all the steps involved in this process. First, begin by updating both Elementor and WordPress to their most current versions. Keeping these components updated is crucial because it ensures your site is equipped with the latest features, improvements, and security patches. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Updates section, and there you'll see if either WordPress or Elementor has a new version available. Click on Update and let it process for a few moments. Next, to support these updates effectively, it may be necessary to increase the PHP memory limit. Why do this? Well, as your website grows and gets more complex, it requires more resources. You can do this via the wp-config PHP file. Open the file using a file manager on your hosting dashboard or through an FTP client. Scroll to the bottom and add the line of code that says define wp memory/limit 256M. This change will help accommodate the additional resources needed by your updated software. Now, onto a very common issue: plugin conflicts. Sometimes, after updates, certain plugins might not play nicely with Elementor. To identify any conflicting plugins, you'll want to deactivate them temporarily. Don't worry, your settings will be saved. Simply go to the plugins section of your dashboard and disable all plugins except Elementor. After you've done that, check your website's functionality. Once you've identified any conflicts, reactivate your plugins one by one to see which might be causing issues. Switching over to your site's theme, it's a good idea to check if there are any conflicts there as well. You can do this by temporarily activating one of the default WordPress themes, such as 2023. Again, don't worry, your theme settings will remain intact. Watch for any changes in the site's performance or appearance when the default theme is active. Moving forward, clear the Elementor cache and regenerate CSS files. This is a handy step, especially if you notice any styling issues. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor Settings, and under the Tools tab, you'll find the options to clear cache and regenerate CS. This will ensure that everything on your site is displaying as it should, with fresh styling and functionality. Lastly, let's talk about enabling safe mode in Elementor. Should you experience any persisting issues, Safe Mode is an excellent debugging tool that lets you troubleshoot without affecting your live site. You can find this option in Elementor settings. It temporarily disables all other widgets and features